In this video, we are going to see about how to create a new custom visuals. In the previous video, we have seen how we have started the servers and we need to keep that server running so that it will be interacting with the Power BI service. Whatever the applications we are creating in Power BI, that should be interacted with the Power BI service so that we need to keep this running. So just keep this running, and we are now in the Power BI where I'll just try to add one CSV file so that it will be easy to publish in Power BI service. So just click on open, click on load. Now the data is loaded. Now you can see on the right side there are fields which are available. Now we'll just try to add one visual. So let's take this custom visual. So we are going to add these fields here, and we are going to just publish this in Power BI service. So let's do that. Just save it. Just give the name something which is test bar chart, and save it. Now this is something which is I have saved it. Now we need to just publish it and just select this my workspace and click on select. So this is now published. Now we can just go to Power BI service. In the Power BI service, we will just go to the my workspace and we will see means where it is added. Now you can see this is published to the test bar chart. Just click on this test bar chart report, and now we are going to see this means whatever we have created in Power BI desktop, this visuals is we can see that now to create a custom visuals, two things we need to make sure that. First thing, we need to make sure that we should use Chrome browser and not Internet Explorer, because some of the features will not be available in the Internet Explorer. So you can use Chrome or maybe Firefox as well. And the second thing is, whenever we are wanted to do this custom visuals, you need to go to the settings and you need to make sure that there is a developer option which is available here, and we need to make it enabled. So initially it will not be enabled. You need to enable it and just click on apply now, and then you can go back to our project again and just click on edit here. We do have these visuals created, and now when we enable this developer mode, you can see there is an icon which is available here. This is a new developer visual which is available here. We can just delete this and just add the new visuals here. Now you can see this is just showing as the update count. Now this is something which is showing a zero count, but if you just add some data here, it will be increased one by one. So this is the default visuals. You can see whenever we click on this, the count is getting increased. So this is something which is a default custom visual which is created, and we will see its code now. So for that, let's try to save this now. Now this is saved. Now we will go back to the Visual Studio. In Visual Studio Code, we will try to understand its code now. For this, we will just open this Visual Studio Code. We can click on this open folder, and we'll go to that particular folder where we have saved it. So just select this folder, and now you can see this is something which is available here now. Various files which are automatically created, source file, then style, then there are some other fields which are available here, but we need to make sure that means we are going to see this .ts file, which is TypeScript file. So this is something which is created. Now in this visuals, you can see it was showing new update count, and in visuals as well there is something which is a new update count. We can just make some something which is available. Maybe we'll just remove this new word from here, and we will see means how it is reflecting in our Power BI visual. So let's try to do that. Just save this and go back to our Power BI visuals. Now this is showing something which is new update count. Now if we just try to refresh it, just click on this refresh, and you will see this is getting reflected now. So this is something which is getting changed. Whatever the changes we are doing in the source file. This is how we can update this code, and then it can be reflected in our Power BI service. Now you can see this is something which is available here, and this is the code which is we can go through it and we try to understand. But there are some things which we can build on our own. We will see that in next video.